for another show today. Hey, Daddy, what do you have there?
Do you want to know what this is?
This is a camera.
Well, it is like a camera. It is the C660 dash cam. Just got sent to us. It is a 1080p dash cam, and it is super cool. Let's open up the box to see what's in there. All right. Oh my goodness, here's the dash cam itself. This looks super small.
You don't even big enough.
It's almost like the size of a GoPro. Check that out.
It even smaller than a GoPro.
I love the colors on that. It has some orange.
Look, one of the buttons are orange.
And let's see what it came with. It came with a cigarette lighter charger.
Like this.
Plug that in. I like how long this cable is. This attaches to the camera somehow. Oh, here it is. This is kind of a neat way. It attaches to the camera just like this.
Look how long this charger is.
All right, right now what we're going to do is we're going to go install this in the car and tell you more about it. Stay tuned. This camera is pretty easy to install. All you have to do is hook it up with the suction cup, and the suction cup stayed on the windshield, so there was no problem there. And you just plug it in. It's plug and play, and it starts recording right away. And I had a 16 gigabyte card in my camera there, and I was able to record a lot of footage. I think it was like 2 days or something like that. So with a bigger card, you can get more video footage, but then it just overwrites it. It's just kind of looping and just overwrites the older files. So that way, if you do capture some information, you're able to go back home and download it onto your computer. And what I also liked is that on a clear sunny day, the oncoming traffic that's coming toward you, if you push pause, you usually can get a clear image of the license plate, and it also kind of freezes their tire. So I really was impressed with that. Also, just overall image quality during the nighttime, during cloudy days, all types of situation, going underneath bridges and going back out to the sunlight. The footage to me was very acceptable and usable. So I like the size of this camera. It was not distractive when I put it on my windshield. And just the fact that it's recording all the time. It does record audio and video, and I'll have a little sample of that toward the end of my video here. So the cool thing about this camera is that you can get a power pack and plug it into the USB part of this camera so that you can be recording maybe when you're out fishing or hunting, or you're doing some work, or you want to use this as a security camera. So you can do it that way. So that's awesome. You could probably even plug it into a wall outlet, using a USB type of cord, so that this can be recording 24 hours a day. So I just thought just the usability of this camera and the usable image quality, I give this a total 2 thumbs up. I was really happy with it. Hey, I really like the footage from this dash cam. It's super easy to use. It turns on right away. It records in loops, fits real nice on the windshield. Hey, what more can you ask for? Hey, I have a link down below where you can find this on Amazon. And like always, have a fun day and safe driving. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.